In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a LinkedIn profile. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To start, open your web browser and go to the official LinkedIn website. This is where all the editing magic will happen. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. You can do this using your Google account or by entering your standard LinkedIn login credentials, which include your email address and password. After you've signed in, pay close attention. You may be prompted to complete a security CAPTCHA verification. This step is crucial for keeping your account safe, so make sure to follow the instructions carefully to access your personal account dashboard smoothly. Now that you're in, look towards the top right corner of the homepage. You should see your profile photo icon. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the View Profile option. This action will open up your personal profile page where all your professional information is displayed. Next, you'll notice pencil icons scattered across various sections of your profile, like your headline, education, or work experience. These pencil icons are your friends. They allow you to edit specific sections easily. Start by clicking on a pencil icon that corresponds to the section you want to update. For example, if you want to change your job title or add new skills, find the pencil icon next to your experience or skills section and click on it. This will open a new editing window specifically for that part of your profile. In this editing window, you can update your information as needed. Feel free to adjust your job title, change your location, or showcase new skills that you've acquired. Remember, a well-updated LinkedIn profile can open up many professional opportunities for you. So take your time and ensure that everything reflects your current status accurately. Once you've made all your desired edits, look for the Save button located at the bottom of the editing window. Click on that button to apply all your changes. It's important to save your work, or else you might lose the updates you've just inputted. And that's it. You've successfully edited your LinkedIn profile. Keeping your profile updated can positively influence how you're perceived in the professional world and can help you connect with opportunities that suit your career aspirations. Regular updates reflect your growth and changes in your professional journey, so make it a habit to revisit your profile periodically. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Your encouragement means a lot, and it helps us create more videos for you. Happy networking on LinkedIn.